Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use the project timeline feature in teamwork.com, your full guide for 2025. First things first, log into your Teamwork account and locate the Projects tab on your dashboard. This is where all your current and future projects live. You'll see a Timeline tab. Click on it. The reason we start here is because this is the hub for project planning and management on teamwork.com. Now that we've done that, you'll see a visual representation of your projects. Each project is represented by a bar spanning across the timeline. To create a new project timeline, click on the Add Project button. This is important because it allows you to visually plan and track the progress of your projects over time. Next up, you'll see a pop-up window. Here, you can name your project, set start and end dates, and assign team members. After inputting these details, hit Save. Doing this helps you to clearly define your project's scope and who's responsible for what, keeping everyone on the same page. Now, here's what's happening behind the scenes. Teamwork.com automatically populates your timeline with your new project. You can click on the project bar to adjust dates or edit project details. This feature is crucial as it allows for flexibility and adjustments as your project progresses. Finally, make sure to keep an eye on your timeline for updates. Teamwork.com will automatically adjust your timeline based on completed tasks and their corresponding dates. This helps you because it provides a real-time update on your project's progress, helping you stay on top of deadlines. And that's it. You've now mastered the project timeline feature in Teamwork.com. Remember, this tool is all about making project management easier and more visually intuitive. Until next time, keep making teamwork work for you.